I just want you to learn this one word. In real estate, this is one of the strongest words that you can use. Really, I use it all of my days in my real estate business. I use it today, Alex uses it right now, and real estate professionals that we have coached, that we have trained, are using it every day. You want to know what that word is? The word is...
Let's go, let's go. Group 2, level 3. Early is good. Early is good.
Oh, the room is there.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
And then the second reason is actually because
Tackle what we doing.
So this is how we warm up. Peace is a beautiful thing.
That's right, Tackle.
I want to go back to the camera guy. The guy behind the camera is just a guy.
So let me welcome Taco and Alex from PropCoach.
Everybody, are you ready for yet another journey?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are traveling back in time.
You can't talk to the person next to you, right? It's always good to brainstorm.
And then basically focus on together, right? Number 1. Would you give a round of applause, please, everybody?
Step 1. Rip open coffee. Packaging. Step 2. Take it out. Step 3. Put it in the cup. Tie it over so it doesn't slip away. Step 4. Yeah, put it in back in here. Step 5. Crunch that shit up. Step 6. Water. Step 7. Don't forget to turn off the hot water. And let's get some honey. Voila.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of How to Impress Other Men with Making Tea.
Yep, absolutely. We hope you got something. See
Yeah,
you
we
next
hope
time.
you learned something. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I was engaged with an agent. The agent says, "Dude, hello? Hello? Who's this? Well, this is Taco. I saw your ad. Is this still available? Yeah. When can you come? When can you come? I can come tomorrow, I guess. Tomorrow, what time? Okay, so in the morning. Okay, 10 a.m. I'll text you. Bye. I think that's where PropCoach, become an idea in my head. Where PropCoach was born in my head. Like, these guys need some training, right? I need some private time.
Hey.
It's a very simple exercise. You gonna take them out?
Okay, both of you gentlemen, please follow me, right?
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Abis. Nice to meet you, Abis. Okay? So, what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna separate you guys. You go back in the room and start negotiating. I'll give you 3 minutes to negotiate on the whole deal. Okay, wait here. Hong? Can't go over there. Okay, Hong, you ready? Ham, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for round one?
We have a deal.
We have a deal. Go.
How about my commission?
Oh. I just want you to learn this one word. The word is unbelievable. When you use it, you can use it all the time. You know, you have a great day, you had a great day in your business, you say, hey, how was your day? You say, unbelievable. But if you have like a little bit of a bad day, you know, a worse day, you ask people, how was your day? Unbelievable. You know, let's practice this for a while because I really want you to get this. I will ask you a question and I would just like you to answer with unbelievable. Is that okay? Yeah. So, how's your day today? Unbelievable. How's the real estate market? Unbelievable. How's your mother-in-law? Like I said, it works with everything.